I love Holi. Wish you all a happy Holi. Enjoy the festival of love and masti. And I am full on for masti.
You all a very happy Holi to all my Foxy members. हम काम करते हैं दिल से और रंग बिखेरते हैं मिलके और खिलके. Wishing you all and your family a very happy Holi.
I remember in the doctor's quarters we were playing Holi to all our glee, badly smeared with colors, when the phone rang in the lobby of the RMO quarters and said this was an emergency and they urgently required a gynae registrar on the labor room. Why I remember this, because that was my quickest bath on a holiday or possibly on any day, and getting ready and running to labor ward, all possibly within 5 minutes, to go and find what the first post resident had was trying to deliver the placenta and having a uterine inversion. That is my possibly most memorable Holi which can be shared in public. Thank you very much.
Brings in a wonderful memory. One of the bestest Holis that I celebrated was when all my students came rushing into my house. This was about 15 years back, and played Holi at my house. And I had impromptu made oyster mushroom pakoras from them, because that time I was experimenting on making these mushrooms at home. What a lovely time it was. So much of innocence, so much of love, and so much of togetherness. Holi brings in all these wonderful things in humanity. Love you all. Happy Holi to everybody.
The best Holi which I remember till date is the Holi which we used to celebrate in our undergraduate days on the terrace. We used to have a small square on the terrace which we used to fill with water and lots of colors. With those limited resources also, we used to have so much fun. We used to get completely wet, and with a lot of colors and a lot of music and dance, we used to get totally crazy. And those were the best Holi times which I remember very well till today.
Holi is one of the most happiest festivals which I love, because I got introduced to it by my husband. This photograph is of the first Holi that we ever spent together on Mud Island Beach. And can you believe it? This was the picture that was given to my in-laws, saying that this is the girl her son wants to marry. I mean, who shows a Holi picture to future in-laws to select the girl? I mean, it's really crazy. And another memory which I have of Holi, very happy Holi, is my mother. She loved us to come over and spend Holi with her. We would go to her house and mess up our entire house, with water, gulal, colors, and she just loved it. In fact, one year we were out of town and she called me up and she said, I missed you. So I think some of the happiest memories are during Holi, and wish you all Foxians a very, very happy Holi.
हालांकि मैंने अपना काफ़ी ज़िंदगी और बेहतरीन साल आगरा में बिताए, वहीं मैं पली बढ़ी, वहीं मैं पढ़ी और एसएन मेडिकल कॉलेज आगरा से ही मैंने सब कुछ किया, एमबीबीएस और एमडी किया, और शायद वो दिन मैं कभी नहीं भुला सकती। परंतु जहाँ तक होली के पर्व का सवाल है, वो मैं मेरठ मेडिकल कॉलेज की होली कभी नहीं भुला सकती। I served Meerut Medical College for about 37 years and as principal for more than 16 years. होली के त्यौहार के दिन ऐसा धमाल होता था कि सारे पहले तो कर्मचारी प्रिंसिपल्स रेजिडेंस में आते थे, स्टूडेंट्स आते थे और सारे स्टाफ मेंबर्स, लेडीज़ की टोली और जेंट्स की टोली आती थी और खूब नाच गाना होता था और खाना पीना तो होता ही था, उसके साथ ठंडाई का भी अरेंजमेंट होता था। और जो बिनाइन ठंडाई थी बिना भंग की वो लेडीज़ लेती थी और भंग के साथ की ठंडाई जेंट्स लेते थे। एक बार एक प्रोफेसर साहब इतनी ठंडाई पी गए कि वो लगे नाचने और बोले नहीं मैं नाचूंगा, और नाचना तो छोड़िए उसके बाद वहाँ बैठ गए कि मैं तो अब यहीं नहाऊंगा, क्योंकि सब लोग नहा के फिर खाना खाने जाते थे स्टाफ क्लब में और सब साथ खाना खाते थे। जब वो बिल्कुल नहीं माने और वो अपनी कमीज भी उतारने लगे तो सारे टीचर्स ने उन्हें उठाया और प्रिंसिपल रेजिडेंस में ही एक छोटा सा पूल था जिसमें कमल के फूल लगते थे, उसमें उनको डाल दिया। बोले ओहो थैंक यू वेरी मच, ये तो बड़ा अच्छा बाथरूम है। इस प्रकार से होली के दिन सारे गिले शिकवे भुलाकर हम लोग वहाँ पर होली का पर्व मनाते थे और होली के रंग में रंग जाते थे। We know that Foxians are really committed to promote and to uplift the health, status and empowerment of women. We always try to organize academic sessions so to propagate knowledge. But in spite of this, I am very happy to know कि हमारे ये यंग टैलेंटेड बच्चे जो हैं उस बात को इम्पोर्टेंस देते हैं और वो समझते हैं कि दे रियली प्रूव दैट कोई भी व्यक्तित्व पूरी तरीके से उभर के नहीं आ सकता जब तक कि हम अपने ट्रेडिशंस को और हम अपने सारे जितने रीति रिवाज हैं उनको भी जिंदा न रखें। I really appreciate and admire the young generation who is trying to keep up the traditions. These traditions give us strength to live together, to love each other, to support each other and to encourage each other to move forward in their lives. Once again, I wish you all a very happy Holi and I think that everybody of you will enjoy this program which Niharika and Manisha and their team has organized. We know that all of us are very excited to just celebrate Holi, but I will always request you one thing, be careful, take all precautions during the celebrations of Holi because Corona is not yet over. Thank you very much Niharika, Manisha and your team, and I wish you all a very very healthy and happy long life.
Now, this interesting thing happened 2 Holi's back, not the last, the one before that. Now, I had one very sweet patient of mine, a regular patient. They stayed just 1 floor below us. So I had done a cesarean, then another cesarean, and unfortunately they had cleft. So we had to do a mid-trimester abortion, and that's the only patient wherein I had to do an hysterectomy. Now the interesting thing is, as usual on a holiday, I finished my rounds and I returned back. So as usual, there is madness going in all these 13 buildings, madness going in every street. Of course, you can't see in last Holi and this Holi. So with all those madness going on, I quietly slipped in. And where all these people are dancing and everything is, pouring colors. There is a foyer or a lounge we have. So that is where the seniors sit. So I just went and joined there. And as a custom, they offer the so-called Thandai. So I told okay, I don't mind. Quietly as usual, like a sharp gynae and endoscopist, I heard somebody telling, "Sir, doctor ने 2 गोली डालना." So I didn't understand what they were trying to tell. Then I took one of them and had a little chat. Then incidentally, all these people were playing Holi. And so many of them are my patients. There's so many whom I have delivered, so many whose fibroid have removed, so many whose uterus, so many IVFs were done. So all a very healthy social family. And my cook was around. And he told me, sir, something unusual was there. So I told, what happened? Because when this tablet, so there is Thandai Bhang and still stronger is the tablet. So I must have heard for the first time. So then I was merrily chatting with all this crowd, nicely. And one unique thing the cook observed. He said, everything was fine. But incidentally, apart from talk which I spontaneously go and talk with them always, हम लोग दोस्त मिलते हैं तो गले लगते हैं ना। मैं नरेंद्र मल्होत्रा मिला तो गले लगेगा, कोई भी मिला तो गले लगता है। He told कि no, you nicely give गले लग के सब लोगों को मिला। But उसमें बोलते हैं कि especially with this patient of mine, she is very sweet and pretty looking. So he told कि सर आपने उनको एक बार नहीं, सब खत्म हुआ फिर दूसरी बार भी गले लगा. So obviously when you are having some tablet, you don't really remember. Unfortunately, after that chat, I went to the room, to her flat and went to go to sleep. Some color was there which was removed. But then I realized, I was thinking, no, it's better to have 2 more tablets. But then I realized it was good that I went up. Of course, it was a very healthy, very simple Aditi is recording, my daughter-in-law is here, Preeti is here, my ICOG and MUHS people are here. So what happens is, in Holi के पीछे क्या है, you have to understand. So I realized कि thandai, bhang and tablet. So best thing is anybody offers, keep it, but don't take it. But that was one unusual thing, apart from so many other things. I hope this is worth sharing. But of course, all these patients still are with us. They know that we are very clean-hearted people. But sometimes, you somebody keeps laughing, somebody keeps talking, and that I realized that may cook only too. So enjoy Holi. Of course, we cannot play too much with colors, but have fun in family, have enjoyment, have enlightenment, have passion for our work, have passion for our family, passion for our friend. And long live Foxy. Long live YTP.